We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. So this is just all sitting here. It's not attached to each other or the wall yet. That's what he's fixing to get ready to do. Fixing to beginning to commence to start or something like that. Anyway, the sorter fits right there, which is awesome. And then we have a 6, a 6, a 9, a 6, and a 6. So lots of cubbies. And then once we get done with all this, we'll put up the double rod over here. And right now all of his stuff is scrunched over here. So it's been a move it scenario, but I think it's gonna be good. Don't you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Looks good. And then we still have that big shelf up top. Alright, so this is all done and attached to itself and to the wall. We have the bottom shelf in. We've measured for the pole, but we haven't put the pole in yet. And then we have the top shelf here for up there across. So then we can start organizing. Up to the top shelf. Yep, almost got it. You're silly. You are a silly girl. Yep. There she goes. Do you want down? I'll get you down. Yeah. I think she knows how to get down. Now, she's just gonna lounge up there a little bit. Yeah, you're so cute. You are so cute. Yes, you are. I love you. I love you, Vivian. I love you, Vivian. Okay, except for the vacuum cleaner and the step stool, we are ready to start organizing and cleaning and such. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is the work we've been doing today. We have all these cubbies all the way up. And right now we're working, well, it was just a shelf and pole that went all the way across right here. So we had to take that down. You still have to attach these all to each other. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 stacked there and just 2 here the other direction. And then right now what we're doing is adding a shelf here that's only a little higher than where the other one used to be. So shelf there, so taller things will go here, across that shelf, and then we have all these cubbies for everything. He has to attach all these things together and then to the wall, and then this shelf is going to be attached to the top of this one.
This second closet is basically just for the stuff that we don't wear all the time, and then the bigger closets where we have everything that we normally wear day to day. What we had before was just a bar and a shelf, and it just wasn't enough. So now we've got room for all of our extra things. So like this, I mean, we haven't even used all the spots yet. So we've got plenty of room to grow on here. So this one's nice. We'll go check out the other one. But this is our master bedroom closet. This is the larger one. Just showed you the other one on the other side. Right here, we used to have built-in furniture. We went ahead and took that out entirely. We used the shelf and pole from the other one and set up just like we had on this side, we did two here. So now we have two of them going all the way around for all the clothes that we hang. In addition to that, we built a whole bunch more cubbies. Got a little ingenious with them here. We did two 6-compartment cubbies and one 9-compartment cubby. Again, there used to be a shelf and pole here as well. We used part of that shelf right here, right across the middle. So we put one 6-compartment on this side, one on this side, ran the shelf across here, did a couple 6ers, and we put a 9 right here. And that gave us just exactly enough space for our hamper right here, 4-compartment hamper. So we can wheel that out whenever we want to. Doesn't take up any other extra space. Gave us more room for hanging everything. And then this is where we put all the stuff that doesn't need to be hung, like our t-shirts, as you can see here. Now, I thought I was going to have a helper demonstrate what we had done from the previous video, but she's not around right now.
She left.
So I'll show you that. But overall, in the closet, sorry, these don't stick out nearly as far as the shelf and pole did. When we used to have the original version, we had this furniture here that came out this far. Then we had these shelf and poles here. We had one shelf and pole here that came out almost all the way. It felt very cramped and skinny, like both of us couldn't come in here at the same time and like change clothes or something.
And then there were strange unusable corners because that
Yeah.
big piece of furniture stuck out probably to where the rug stops right now.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is much more open. Got plenty of wide space here because this doesn't stick out nearly as far. Christy was able to put all of her purses up on top, and she's got them in. The purses
Dust bags.
are in plastic dust bags.
Oh, here's your helper.
And here's my helper. Maybe
She's
she'll
going
show
to
you.
demonstrate.
She'll demonstrate. Do it, Venus. Go through.
She's like, I did that in the last video.
Yes.
There she goes.
There she goes. Right through. We love that thing.
Yeah.
So with that thing, we've already talked about it before, but we can close the bedroom door. The dogs can't come in. The cats can go in and out as they please, and they got their own refuge here in the closet, bedroom, and bathroom.
Well, and then they can get from, if they're in here sleeping, they can get all the way to the litter pan.
Right.
And the dogs can't bug the cats or get their treats or whatever.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So they love that like crazy too. So we like it. It just feels so open and spacious because
we have so much more room.
Yeah, so much more room. Because I'm the tall one, I got the top shelf, and it's basically for my shoes. But yeah, it's amazing. You know, we got plenty of room for everything. So, we will see you on the next video. Bye.
Fear's gonna push you. Now you may be wondering what we did with that big piece of furniture. Never fear, we put both parts of it to good use. The top part ended up in our butler's pantry. So here's a look at what that looked like before. And what it looks like now. And then the bottom part we utilized in the closet for about 3 years and just recently moved it out to our studio, and we put our Harvest Right freeze dryer on top of it. So now we have all of the supplies and everything for that in the drawers, and we have a nice countertop next to our freeze dryer.